So we're gonna build a cook kit bag. It's gonna be really exciting.
Holy cow, this bag is ginormous.
She's back. We're ready. All right, Allie's here.
Dang, I'm good at my job.
We're gonna start. Okay, so the wish list for this thing, right?
Holy cow, that's long.
Well, we're thinking we want to be able to put plates in it, you know, up to 30, cutting board, soap dispenser, paper towels, sink and drain, drying rack, hot water heater, camp chef stove, 30 cups, and a recipe book.
Okay, good. Mary Poppins of bags. We got this.
So we're going to build a cook kit bag. It's going to be really exciting because we are thinking that we want something a little different than what we've had. We've used this one, which is the small one, which I really like because it fits the handle of a lot of the fridges, which is why we designed it. So the other one that we do is we do this. This is my prototype version, but we do this this bag for LT Wright, and LT Wright has this spectacular kitchen set that they make. So we built this bag sort of around the kitchen set. It all fits in here, 4 knives. I love this. I've been carrying this for a long time. And I want to make a couple changes because we travel with, you know, I travel with 5 typically. So I want a little more room for miscellaneous storage, plates and stuff like that. So we're going to build a new one and see how that works. And you're going to get to see the sort of process on the new one. And we're really excited about it. I'd like to be able to put utensils in here, but I'm thinking that we can probably use just webbing loops across here, like 2 rows of webbing loops, so we can just stick the handle in.
Okay.
I'd love to figure out how to get another Velcro pouch on top of that, but that sounds crazy to me right now.
What we're gonna do is put webbing and Velcro sewn together and do the loops out of that, so you can just hook a pouch right to those loops of webbing. Dang, I'm good at my job. You know what I'm saying? Some people are good at their jobs, but then I'm really good at my job. Girl, look at that bag. Don't put that in there.
So this is it? This is the excitement?
Boom!
Yeah, that actually works pretty good, huh? Oh yeah.
I'd be careful, Ron.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's like the 27 squirrel bag. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. A whole family. We're barbecuing Bob. So we're sacrificing Bob. Going on the grill. So you guys are all safe. Oh wow, maybe you need to go on the grill too. You lost your nut and you got.
Somebody put it in the laundry. It looks like.
You've been laundered a little. All right, so what do we have? We have got plate, cutting board, room for the cutting board on the back, a way to hang it. That was a priority of mine. Oh yeah, look at that.
Make those
Look at that. This is for my eggs. This is for my eggs. Oh, silverware. Look at that. Look at that. And another strip up here. Look at that. Holy crap. Wow, this doesn't suck.
Dang, I'm good at my job. You know what I'm saying? That
Bam.
is actually so that if you're going around a bar, you can.
It's where you get your bourbon. Bar. She's thinking roll bar. I'm thinking a place where they sell bourbon. It makes perfect sense. I mean, look at this. See, you need to explain it to me because I missed the. Yeah, so rock on.
You can.
Oh yeah, look at that. So you can hang it off a roll bar, or your stove, or your fridge handle probably, or wait, one better. I've got another use. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Paper towel.
No.
Backpack.
It's a backpack. Wait, here, try it on. See if it fits you. Can you wear it? Oh my gosh, you can! Holy crap! Look at that. That looks like it should be like out of the 40s or something. Boy Scout ad. That's what I said. It's not a backpack for your average Midwest farm boy. I got that. If you're trying to save
yourself, strap an additional knife to your belt.
Oh, look at that.
doesn't touch the ground. It's not gonna go.
Damn. Knife. Everything in the world right here. Ow.
Look at that.
Hey, that's pretty good looking.
Just so you all know, this will be one of my last build videos because I'm peacing out. I'm getting married next month, and so at the end of June 2018, I will no longer be working at Blue Ridge Overland Gear. And I'm a little excited, but I'm sad too.